Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XSWAP protocol. Can XSP fly like Hedera swap sauce? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well if you're interested. Now, guys, without further ado, let us begin first and foremost with the price of XSP at the time of the recording. So this is the chart. XSP is up 5.45% for the day. The price is dollar 0.0007904. It has gone up from 0.0006688 in its low, and it went all the way to 0.00082. So this is the daily chart. Let us look at the 7-day chart here. Yeah, it has gone up almost 37.94% in the last 7 days from 0.0005684 all the way to 0.00082, like I told you guys. This is the 1 month chart. Now we're talking, guys. We're getting a broader perspective over here. XSP basically has had a long accumulation phase and a long consolidation phase in the monthly as well as the yearly, guys. Let me show you. It went up all the way from it went to 0.0015 from 0.0003228 in 2023, the summer of 2023. But guys, this is the price range that it comes back to 0.00048. It has always come back and tested this range, but in my opinion, the days of testing are over. You guys can see how fast XSP can fly. Check this out. The volume was 614.16. People thought it was dead, and all of a sudden, this traction and it went to 0.0015. It killed a zero within a few days, guys. So this thing can fly, XSP can fly, and it is one of the most underrated gems and most undervalued gems in all of crypto, in my opinion, in all of finance, we can say, because nothing comes close to the gains that crypto gives us. Check this out. This is the long accumulation phase that I was talking about. It has basically consolidated. It has been in a accumulation phase since almost 2 years, guys. Almost. So whenever a long accumulation phase occurs, you guys know what happens next, guys. The move is basically mind blowing. After that, check this out. XSP next target 0.003. Talking about undervalued, guys, the market cap is $4.28 million, and this is not a decentralized exchange or a swap of any other project. It is basically the ultimate swap for XDC Network. I know Gbex is there, but Gbex is doing something in line of a centralized exchange. Yeah, it is providing its decentralized functions as well. But this is the true equivalent of Uniswap for Ethereum or Pancake Swap for Binance. Now, guys, another swap that was playing dead for a long time, and then suddenly it basically ripped through the chart, was and still is Saucer Swap Sauce. I remember when I talked about this, people were saying this is dead and this isn't a good project. Hedera doesn't have a good DeFi, and everyone was telling me. I remember in the comments in a video of Sauce that I do not know specifically, but someone said that when the price fell over here, I think, yeah, it was here or somewhere around here, someone told me that the price is falling, this isn't a good project. And suddenly, guys, check this out. It went all the way from 0.018, 0.016, all the way to 0.09. And people are saying that it basically will reach even a billion market cap in the bull run. Check this out. New all-time high for sauce very soon. I would say one of the best dexes in the space with the huge potential. My target for this bull run is $1 billion plus market cap, which can put sauce around $2. Now, the market cap, the current market cap of sauce is $53 million. Check this out. In comparison, this is XSWAP protocol, extremely undervalued. And if we talk about two giants in the making, Hedera HBAR and XDC Network, both of them ISO 20022 compliant, both of them creating a huge network for the future, both of them primed to hit hundreds of billions and even some say trillions of dollars of market cap. And XDC Network is even more. People there are various blocks. Some would choose Hedera, some would choose XDC, but there are people who say that XDC is one of the most it would be the industry leader as a whole, and trillions of dollar would go through this. And when that happens, guys, what would it do to the price of XSwap protocol, the DEX of XDC network? This is extremely undervalued. Can it fly like Saucer Swap? It definitely can. And from $4 million to 50, even $53 million, this would result in significant gains. But still, even Saucer Swap is undervalued. We can look at 500 million billion dollar market cap in the future. You guys know how well Uniswap and Pancake Swap have performed. Check this out. This is from Moon Commander. Shout out. A really good post. I shared LCX, WTK, and SHX at the bottom, and by far SHX has touched 20x from our entry price at $0.0005. Today, I rebought 4 million tokens of XSP XSWAP protocol because I believe that once XDC gains traction, this coin can easily 20x to 100x my investment. $0.08 price target. And guys, in my opinion, it can even go way beyond $0.08. Many are saying that this is conservative price targets because XDC network, guys, when it gains traction, we are looking at trillions, guys. You guys know that it is transforming global trade finance as a whole. It is basically decreasing the trade finance gap, the global trade finance gap. So this is not a joke of a project. This is one of the industry leaders we're talking about. So the decentralized exchange of XDC, would like you guys to at least check this out because it is truly undervalued. One of the most undervalued gems out there, in my opinion. Check this out. Glad you rejoined XSP. I think we will soon we will see 0.03 to zero point zero 0.05 mind-blowing gains, guys. Yeah, and check this out. This is what I was talking about, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So I'd like to thank BXRP for reminding me that you can also stake XSP as well for 6% in their wallet with no lockup period. Guys, one more thing. When I was using their wallet, you need the maximum amount you can stake is 1 million XSP tokens. So if you look at 1 million XSP tokens at current prices, guys, it is only a $800 in price, guys. So if XSwap protocol reaches 10 cents, 5 cents, and even somewhere down the line 50 cents, or even when XDC network becomes a giant, even a dollar, I mean, we are looking at multi-billion market cap. But let me give you a perspective. It is, I think, down 10,000x from Uniswap's all-time high. So this is the perspective we are talking about. Let me show you. Here was this comment. Yeah. Did you know XSP is 10,000x from Uniswap's all-time high market cap? So when that reaches, if it reaches those prices, 6%, if you get 6% tokens, guys, if you stake it, 6% can be it can be passive income for life. Even you guys can get passive income for life. And I mean, who doesn't like passive income, guys? In my opinion, one of the most underrated and undervalued projects in all of crypto, in the crypto as a whole, in finance as a whole. As we can see what Saucer Swap has already done. Uh, since its all-time lows, and we talked about it if you remember. And being part of the Hedera ecosystem, I told you guys that Hedera is primed to succeed, and XDC network is also primed to succeed. That's for sure, guys. So these are one of the two industry giants we're talking about, and their decentralized ecosystem is should not be taken for granted whatsoever. So check this out. Even Nasdaq has this is a press release. Even Nasdaq has talked about XSWAP protocol. I might make a separate video on it as well. But for the time being, check this out. Pioneering Dex launches on Zinfin XDC Network, introducing XSWAP protocol. So, guys, I haven't seen many decentralized exchanges that Nasdaq has talked about. I mean, this is huge, guys, in my opinion. Let me just check if we can see the comparison between sauce and XSP, because we did comparison between XSwap protocol and Uniswap Pancake Swap in our last video. Do check that out if you're interested. I think it is $4 million market cap, but it is showing 1.87 million at the moment, so I do not know about that. But check this out. If it reaches the current, I think this isn't right though. Uh, I think if it reaches the Saucersop's market cap, the price I think was 0.007 or 008. If I'm not remembering correctly. So if is really 1.87 million, then we're looking at a 28.63x, guys, 0.022. But even if I remember correctly, I calculated it manually. I think it was $0.007 or 0.008 or something in that lines, guys. So, really good opportunity in my opinion, guys. Check this out. It certainly has the potential to fly like sauce, and both have the potential to go beyond 2 billions, guys, to be very honest, because XDC Network and Hedera are primed to be huge in the long run, guys. So anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and do hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out if you're interested. Anyways, guys, like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.